able to really innovate with the pump test stand. It gives us the ability to use it for research and design with our own pumps so that we can actually test the products ourselves in a quick, timely manner, and then we can make changes as it benefits the pumps, which benefits all of our customers and the industry in general.
We pride ourselves on the ability to innovate and design new products that increase our customers' capabilities and improve their performance. We saw a need for allowing customers to do root cause analysis on pump issues, as well as to be able to determine pump performance characteristics for pumps that they need to meet certain applications.
We're measuring pressure, flow, temperature, and then horsepower draw from the pump. So we're able to gather that data so they can operate their pumps better in their own applications.
The system that we have here is driven by a Cummins 500 horsepower diesel engine. The butterfly valve allows us to adjust flow rate and pressure to simulate elevation changes in the piping system, as well as different size pipes and long distances for the pipe to run.
We're able to simulate exact conditions, operating conditions on a barge so that our customers can test their pumps here and know that it's going to operate identical when it's on their barge. This is the first pump test facility like this in the industry. We're able to gain from it vastly, research design standpoint, and then also to benefit our customers as well.
We will continue to develop new pumps and new products that improve the capacity and the ability and the performance of our customers' barges.
The impact of this facility is going to be huge. From a research and design standpoint, it gives us a whole lot more capabilities from what we used to have with our existing test facility. This is going to give us many more options for testing to be able to improve designs and then also test customer applications.
We believe this pump test stand is the next step in continuing to innovate in new pump applications for the marine industry.